I really like this new carry-on luggage that I ordered. The backpack is a decent material. I thought it was going to be cheaper, but it's actually pretty nice. It's got the canvas type material. It's got a compartment here with a full compartment that you can put your clothes in and opens all the way like a suitcase would instead of digging in the bag. Also has a zipper right here with a pad for maybe like a laptop or some kind of device, iPad. Then it's got the zipper back here for security in case you're carrying it and you don't want to get pickpocketed. It's rolling around here. Then the suitcase, you can see it rolls really well. It's got the TSA locks and the zippers fit in the slot here like that. And then you'll push the button to open. It's a room. You can separate your things to keep them more organized. It's got the zipper here, zipper, just the standard carry-on. You could fit 3 to 4 days of clothes, depending on what time of year it is or what type of clothes you're bringing. So I would definitely recommend this. It's a great price for the quality. And I ordered my husband the black one also. That one's also a great quality. So I would recommend.
Suitcases, but the baby did not, and she is to the point where she needs her own, and we are traveling to Mexico with carry-ons only, so she needed her own. I saw this on Amazon Prime. It was a pretty good deal. So it's the suitcase, and the wheels spin, which is really good. Comes with a lock if you needed it. I don't think I've ever used it. You open it up, it has this side over here that you can zip up. It also has these clamps to latch things in. And this one came with a backpack. So here is the backpack. It looks pretty big and pretty roomy. It has these clips on the side. You can hold it like this. You can also wear it as a backpack. And then it has this strap that goes on the suitcase. It has room for a water bottle. Has another zipper, the big zipper, and an electronics bag. The baby and I will be using this. I am going to carry her toys in here, her snacks, her water bottle, and I am also going to be putting my laptop in here because I am traveling with my laptop. Another little cool bag. It comes with this little pouch, and you can actually, it's actually like plastic, so maybe like an ice pack or something if you could, but that is the suitcase. Comes with the 3 pieces, and I'll have it linked on my Amazon storefront. So that is how it would go. And it turns pretty smoothly on carpet, so it should roll pretty easily through the airport. But think that blue?
Blue one, very pretty. This looks like a dark blue jean color. Very spacious. Got the inside of this side that opens up. That wheels, they go to combo. It's very easy to open and change a lock. This is a little backpack. You put a laptop in here or whatever. It's very nice. I love it. I got the blue jean one for my husband. I like a little bag. And then I got the gray one. It's nice. I love it. Can't wait for us to use it. Spins real good. Very nice. Win-win. 10 out of 10.
This is a video review on the bags. You can see they stack together, great carry-on size with the backpack that straps around the handle of the smaller bag, the carry-on bag. Lots of pockets in the backpack, good quality zippers, lots of compartmentation. This still has my stuff. We just took a trip, so we just got back. Great size. They look good. They're sturdy, good wheels, good zippers on the backpack. Nice bags.
Me single-handedly wheeling all 4 suitcases all by myself down a hill, nonetheless.